Now, Serum Institute has also issued a statement affirming two large-scale studies by ICMR and AIIMS as cited by Ministry of Health, saying that there is no link whatsoever between COVID-19 vaccines and the deaths that are being reported because of heart attacks. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Sagrika, joining us live right now for more on this. Sagrika, over to you, because this is a cause of big concern. If politicians raise questions on the efficacy of these vaccines, then it will have an impact on the public faith when it comes to these kind of vaccines, isn't it?
And that is why, Hina, Serum Institute, which is the world's largest vaccine manufacturer by volume, has also come out and allayed fears. They have said, and they've put this out officially, that in light of the recent concerns, we affirm two large-scale studies by the ICMR and AIIMS as cited by the Ministry of Health have found no link between COVID-19 vaccines and sudden deaths. The vaccines are safe and scientifically validated. So another word of assurance coming in from the Serum Institute. They have pointed to what the government has said. Now, like you've also mentioned, Hina, this is the statement of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, where they also said that extensive studies by the ICMR and AIIMS on sudden deaths among adults post-COVID have conclusively established no linkage between COVID-19 vaccines and sudden deaths. Lifestyle and pre-existing conditions identified as key factors. So one after the other, there are statements coming in from the Ministry of Health, the Serum Institute as well. And so the politics around this, now should be put to rest because of confirmation and double confirmation, with the only motive of allaying fears of the common man.
Absolutely. And we have experts like Biocon Chief Kiran Mazumdar also making a very, very important point here. Stay on with us, Sagrika, as well as Neha. Let me go across to my colleague Isha as well, who's joining us live right now for more on this. Isha, why don't you take us through, the important updates that have come in from the Health Ministry after these kind of statements were made by Karnataka Chief Minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah?
Right, definitely, Hina. So the politics around it was peaking, but now several official authorities have come forward and have confirmed that vaccines have absolutely nothing to do with sudden death. In fact, yesterday the Health Ministry came out with a compulsive study in collaboration with the ICMR, and now the Serum Institute has also reiterated the same claim of the Health Ministry, stating that there is absolutely nothing wrong with the vaccines. In fact, the Health Ministry had also stated that sudden deaths have linkages to comorbidities and less with and absolutely nothing with vaccines. In fact, India has seen several waves of the coronavirus pandemic, and we have successfully managed to deal with them as well. While a lot of the population is now successfully and safely vaccinated, measures to instill fear are also now being quelled by the Health Ministry, and now the Serum Institute also reiterating the same claim. They are also stating that there is absolutely nothing wrong with the vaccines, and this definitely should end the fear-mongering around here and also the politics over it as well, because this is a matter of health, this is a matter of life and death, and this is not something that politics should be peeking over in the first place.
All right. Thank you very much, Isha, Sagrika, as well as Neha. Appreciate you all for joining us with your inputs on the story. We will, in fact, now cut across to a press briefing.
Muscle of the heart becomes thickened, and the person otherwise may be all right, but again the heart is prone to go into different rhythm problems, and a person can have sudden cardiac arrest. So this is in the kind of young athletes, etc., and that age group. This is a little commoner thing, and this is picked up after suppose autopsy is done. Then this will be picked up because the heart muscle will be found to be thickened. So that is another cause. Then in the older persons, we are all aware that is the classical heart attack, where basically there are plaques in the coronary arteries, which are small arteries supplying blood to the heart muscle itself. And those plaques, they rupture, and on the top of that rupture, thrombus forms. And that thrombus leads to sudden occlusion of the blood flow to the muscle. And then the person gets a classical heart attack, that he gets chest pain in the center of the chest, crushing pain, and then sweating, nausea, vomiting, giddiness, etc. And the person can die because of, again, rhythm problems. So although all these categories, they lead to sudden cardiac arrest leading to death, and it's very dramatic, but the causes are different. So this is one important thing. Then comes the issue of the why it is being reported more now. It seems to be more. So it's not only the disease, but other factors may also be.
So that was a press briefing by the doctors of All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Of course, this comes at a time when questions are being raised if there is any kind of link between COVID-19 vaccines that people have taken and the deaths that are being reported because of heart attacks. There has been a rise in that number as well. We will slip into a very, very short break right now. We'll be back with